And hello again. My name is Helmut Meshko, and this is, of course, the headphones. And this is another tutorial of HostMaria.com, and we'll be showing to our cloud users who are using StackCP dashboard how to create your FTP connection. Quite often there are difficulties, and this is a short video tutorial with comments, with walkthrough, and everything is done in real time. So as you can see in this time, I have prepared FilZilla. One thing, first things first, you need to have your FTP solution, application, software, you can call it however you want to. We recommend FilZilla. FilZilla doesn't fail. It is really good solution for creating FTP connections. And of course, you need to log into your StackCP.com dashboard. So by the default, once you are logged into your StackCP dashboard, you would see that FTP is locked. And sometimes people try to use this data and they try to unlock FTP. Let us say unlock, and then they try to, okay, let me show the password. Here's the password, and they try to log in, and something doesn't work. Something doesn't work. So let's lock it down, and later on I'll change the password for something else. It doesn't matter. This account is un-s.com, is for demo purposes, for demonstration purposes. So what we would suggest you to do. So please go to section web files. So second from the top, go to FTP accounts. Up here, create a user, and let us call it Jorge. I don't know why the name Jorge. So un-s and subdirectory. This is where Jorge at un-s.com would have access. I would suggest, if you are using this access for yourself, delete it, and you will have access to one level above public HTML. Add FTP account. FTP account has been added. Copy this password for yourself. Let me copy it as well. Copy it as well. So this is Jorge. That's the password, and it goes to the top directory. And now unlocked, and unlock it for 1 day. This is a usual one. This is my IP address. I'm not unlocking it by IP address. I would not advise you to do. Just unlock your FTP for a day, for 4 hours, and let it stay locked. It is a really good and useful security feature. So unlock FTP for the user. So for the user, Jorge. And if we would go here, we would still see that FTP is locked. And once we go here, FTP is unlocked. So next things, open your FilZilla and new site. So I'm not using quick connection, and say un-s. This would be for yourself. Up here in host, as so many users of ours hurry. So the solution is very simple. FTP .stackcp.com. You can leave the port open. User. So user, we have created Jorge. Yes. So we have, and the password was the password that was here. If you forget it, you can type it once again. You can update your password. Just if you forget it, don't worry about that. Here you go. You put in the password, and now these are the default settings, and you just connect. Sometimes there is this issue, failed to retrieve directory listing. It comes quite often. So in this case, what you would do, you would, in encryption, you would use plain FTP. Connect, abort, okay. Here you are, and now you are into the FTP. This was a short tutorial how to create your FTP connection and it is based on our personal experience. And I would suggest you, do not use the main one. Do not use the main one. Create a user. You can create many users. You can create another user. You can say admin2, and he has got access to public HTML only. And then, or if you have in public HTML something else, or if you have a subdomain, let us say photos, then you would say admin photos. You can create as many FTP accounts as you need. And you can see, you can give to all of them, you can give access to different categories. So, and once again, if you do experience problems with connecting via normal settings, just use only plain FTP and you will be in. Thank you for watching. And this was another tutorial of HostMaria.com. And of course, if you have any problems, please open a support ticket. All the best. Thank you.